Good morning friends, myself Vedant Vijay Mante from Standard 8 from St. Mary English Medium High School. Today I am showing you some experiments from General Science textbook of Standard 8, Chapter 3, Force and Pressure. So our first point is contact and non-contact force. So first we will see non-contact force. For this experiment we will require these things. First, two magnet pieces, some iron nails. So I have kept iron nails in a box. So we will start our experiment. You can see that I have taken one magnet piece. So I will take that magnet piece towards iron nails. You can see that the iron nails have been stick to magnet. This is because of magnetic force and non-contact force. Again, I will show you that how the iron nails are attracted to magnet. You can again see that there was no contact between magnet and iron nails. This is called as non-contact force. You can also see that due to magnet, some iron nails are automatically magnetized and some of the iron nails are stick to the iron nails and attracted to the iron nails because that the iron nails are magnetized. Okay, now we will see our next experiment. This is also on the point of non-contact force. For this experiment, we need only two things. Two magnet pieces. Okay, now we will see that how they repel and attract each other. Now this is South Pole. You can see that there is no contact between them. This is first magnetic piece and this is second magnetic piece. You can see that the second magnetic piece is repelling from the first magnetic piece and there is no contact between them. From this we also conclude that like poles repel each other. Now we will take North Pole and North Pole. You can also see that there is no contact between them and they are also repelling each other. Now we will take one North Pole and one South Pole. You can see that they are attracting towards each other and there is no contact between them. From this we can also conclude that unlike poles attract each other. Okay friends, we will go to our next experiment, that is on the point contact force. Before starting our experiment, we will add one point in that is Newton's first law of motion. So what is Newton's first law of motion? A stationary object on which no force is applied remains stationary. An object in motion continues to move in same speed when no force is acting on it. This is Newton's first law of motion. So now we will go to our experiment. You can see that this is a chair. It's a stationary object on which no force is applied. When I will apply a force on it, it will automatically move. There is contact between me and chair. This is also contact force. When force is applied by me to the chair automatically moves. This is contact force. So our point, this contact and non-contact force experiments are over. Thank you.